Hello friends, today's topic, want 50,000 every month. What is the use of 2 crores for retirement? I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today's youth want 40,000 to 50,000 per month as income. Please guide us on that. Who will wait for 1 to 2 crores at the age of 60? This is the question we received. The observations and comments regarding this question is: number one, stock market is a place to create wealth. It is not very easy to create regular income every month for living expenses. It can only be considered an additional source of income apart from salary or business income. Two, your primary source of income must be a job or business. This is where you have more scope to earn and save for investments. 3. You may consider the stock market investments full time when you have created a corpus of 1 to 2 crores which you can use for regular expenses and there is no pressure. 4. We have seen many young investors who quit their job and take trading full time, then start making losses and finally take up a job again. In the meanwhile, they have wasted a lot of time and money. 5. If you want to earn around 40 to 50,000 regularly from stock markets on a monthly basis, you need to have a capital of 24 lakhs and learn technical analysis and do short-term trading part-time apart from your job or business. Number 6. Many institutes are claiming to teach you some special techniques to make you earn around 3 to 4% per month returns from FNO. It may be earned in some months, but you may also lose huge amounts in other months and finally make a net loss. 7. People are thinking of stock market trading like playing video games and are expecting 4% per month, 48% per year, and with a compounding for a few years, your money will become hundreds of crores. However, in reality, even earning 14 to 15% per annum is not very easy and there will be plenty of difficult phases in the journey. Second question of this particular episode is, ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಪಿಇ ಮಾನದಂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಂಜಸ? ಪಿಇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತಹ ಷೇರುಗಳು ಕುಸಿಯುವ ಅಪಾಯ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Translating to English, if you take the PE as a measure of buying the shares, how right it is? Because the PE of the particular share is very high, is it that in the days to come it will crash? Observation and comments. Number 1. If you are planning to invest a lump sum amount in stock markets, then P ratio is very important. The P ratio of the stock has to be compared with its industry P ratio and also with the historical P ratio of the stock. If you invest a large amount at a high P ratio, it may take many years to earn good returns and you may even lose money in some cases. Number 2, if you are doing SCP, then P ratio has lesser importance since you will be investing at different prices every month and hence over a long period the P ratio at which your investment has been made will get averaged out. 3. The P ratio is very high and the business performance does not live up to the expectation, then the stock with high P ratio have a higher chance of falling in price. Now coming to the next question, which is very useful for everybody. Sir, shall I invest all my savings in stock market or should I invest some amount in gold too? Observation and comments. Number 1. It is totally wrong to invest your entire savings in stock markets. It has to be divided and allocated in various instruments. 2. By investing in different assets, you are reducing the risk of diversifying so that you are not too dependent on a particular asset. Now, what is the asset? How much money should be there? Bank balance and PPF 10%, gold 5%, insurance 5%, real estate 50%, stocks and mutual funds 30%. Third observation, if your knowledge and experience of stock market is very good, you can invest up to 30 to 35% of your total assets in a mix of stocks and mutual funds. The next question is as follows. February 2024 batch. Sir, I invested rupees 10 lakhs around 6 months back. Now its value is 11.2 lakhs. I am thankful for the workshop. I have learned the systematic way of investing in stock market. I have also seen every YouTube video of yours the last 1 year without missing a single video. One more question almost related to that. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Translated to English, it says, sir, you take the YouTube membership and once in a month you can release some videos. Interested people will go on seeing it. Observations and comments. Number one, it is because of such workshop graduates and channel members that we make 3 to 4 videos on our channel every day. There are large number of people who watch all our videos every day. This is the reason for the good knowledge they have and also good profits that they make. 2. Many people say that they are too busy and pick and choose which videos to watch. They watch only some videos, miss the knowledge and information from the other videos. To watch all our videos of a particular day, it takes less than 25 minutes. If you increase the speed of the video, it could take 20 minutes. We feel that every serious investor can make this time for their knowledge improvement on a daily basis. Number 3, if you say that you are not getting time to watch videos, then maybe you may not make as much appreciation from stock markets as you expect and hope. 4. Also, we have noticed that the very serious investors go through our online course on stock markets so that their learning is faster and deeper and they don't make the mistakes which others usually make. 5. We know that a number of serious investors is a small number compared to the total number of subscribers on our channel. We hope all investors become serious, take actions to create wealth for themselves. Number 6. We may consider YouTube monthly memberships so that we can provide more value for serious investors and handhold in their investment journey. At the end of the video, here is the question. For you, what is a priority in stock markets? A. Earning 30 to 50,000 per month. B. Having at least 1 to 2 crores for retirement. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.